So if you have got a lot of devices added to your Google account, you can remove them, the ones that you no longer use, because it creates a confusion whenever you are trying to do something. It gives you a list of all the devices you have ever signed on or registered on with your Google account. So let me quickly show you how you can remove those devices, that the ones that you are not using. Simply search for click on Google account, then go to security and scroll down to find all the devices you ever used your account on. You can click on manage devices, and then you have all the list of devices. So these are the devices that I added multiple times. Like I registered on my Chromebook, then refreshed it and registered again, and refreshed it and registered again. So it shows that these are inactive devices, because here is the one that I'm currently using. So I can simply go here and sign out from here. So this will be removed from here. I can do the same to this one as well, and same to this one. I still use Windows. Yes, I use my current phone. This is my current phone. This is my current MacBook. This is my TV. And yeah, this is it. So I am signed out of these devices. uh, if we go here again and go here, so we have these devices here.